You're listening to Charles the Magic Mike Productions.
What is this guy doing, bro?
Sonic boom. Sonic boom. It won't work. Hey guys, it's Charles the Magical Lane back at again with some more bangers. And today I'm hitting with you with another compilation, like my roaring compilation, a previous video. So, but this time it's a Sonic Boom compilation. So without further ado, let's get it going.
Sonic boom, Sonic boom, Sonic boom. Sonic boom!
Ew! Sonic Boom! Sonic Boom! Cut the
Freaky Charlie.
Are you Sonic Boom?
I'm recording.
Oh, hey guys, it's Editing Charles the Magic Line, and I barely Sonic Boom this entire video, so cue the montage.
Do you really wanna taste it?
Sonic Boom! Sonic Boom! Sonic Boom! Boom! Sonic Boom!
Sonic boom, Sonic boom, Sonic boom. Sonic boom!
Whoa, hey, you don't want these problems, bro. I'm telling you.
Come on, I'm about that mic.
I do Sonic Boom!
Settings.
Let's see Batman do that. Sonic Okay, they don't care. They don't care. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Sonic boom!
Whoa! Whoa! Sonic Boom! 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 Go!
Sonic boom!
Whoa!
Boom! Sonic boom!
Bloopers. What's on? Oh, how about this? Look how long. Hey. Alright, okay. Sonic Boom.
Are you filming?
Oh yeah. Hey guys, it's Charles the Magic Knight, and I editing Charles. Cut that. Stop, bro. Stop.
I'm fine.
Hey guys, it's editing Charles Magic Knight, and cut the. What are you talking about? All right. Let me know when.
When? When?
Hey, cut that.
When?
Hey, wait.
Oh my! No.
Sonic Boom! Activate Sonic Boom!